Alright, we're going to do a pod review on this plant here, and I also have one here, which has one that's ready, but it looks like it might have hadn't gotten a little damage, but we'll pick those both, and we'll give you a better view at what they look like. And this particular variety of pepper is called the Tekne Dolmasi. Don't know where it's from offhand. It's probably Turkey, because I bought a lot of Turkish peppers, and we're reviewing a lot of those, so it's probably somewhere from either Turkey or maybe around that general area, and this is one of them. So let's pick these. That one came right off. This one's got a little tit on it, and they generally get shaped like this and this. This one got a little damage on the bottom from insects, of course. They love to destroy my peppers. Alright, this is typically what the Tekne Dolmasi looks like. Here's another general pheno. This is if you grow your plants outside and they get full sun, you're generally going to get this type of pheno from it. They'll generally look like this. Of course, this one's green, but they will get red as well. And I got another one like this. You can see it's very triangular in shape. It's got a nice top on it. This one, again, has got insect damage, so we're probably not going to eat this one. Though I can't salvage most of this pepper. It's just, I'm not going to bite into the end of that, you know. But that's what that looks like. Very, very nice pepper. We'll be growing it next year. We are wintering it over. Here's the other one. We'll taste test this one. Got that bug damage right there. It's a shame. It's a real shame. The insects did some serious damage to me this year. I lost 10% of all my peppers, which is in the hundreds. Alright, so that's it right there. We'll turn you around and give it a go. Alright guys, here we are. We're doing another pod review today, and it's going to be on this pepper right here, and this is called the Tekne Dolmasi. And I don't know if it's a Turkish pepper, but for some reason I keep leaning to that because I got this with a lot of other Turkish pepper seeds that I ordered, and this is one of them. So this is what it looks like. I know I showed you earlier what it looks like, kind of doing a double on that. We always want to be a little redundant with this because sometimes my camera just simply don't want to record correctly or focus correctly. So at least if you don't see it in the beginning, you'll get it right here. Alright, so we're going to bite the end off of that first. Looks like the rest of it's good. So this isn't fully ripe, so there's probably going to be a little tanginess on that because we're going from that green to the red stage, and when you eat them in that stage, they tend to be more tangy. Once they turn fully red, all those starches are fully converted over, and you shouldn't be getting that much tanginess because the sweetness is really going to dominate at that point. So let's take a bite. Well, so far it's a sweet pepper. And it was very mild in flavor, almost like flavorless almost. It could be because it's not fully ripened or anything, so it's kind of a little bit unfair to it. But as you can see, the skin on it, the inside wall, I'm trying to give you, see the inside wall is a different color than the skin, so it tends to be lighter in color inside than the outside when it gets red like that. Take another bite. This is a really strange tasting pepper. Doesn't taste anything like a bell pepper. That I can tell you. Doesn't taste anything like a bell. It has a different flavor. It could just be this pepper. I don't know. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste bell pepper at all. In fact, I don't taste any kind of pepper in it. It has like a strange kind of a weird taste to it. Not bad, but just, I don't know how to describe the flavor. It just doesn't taste like my typical pepper review peppers. They don't taste typical. It tastes outside that range of being typical. It's just kind of neutral in flavor. Doesn't taste bad, but there's no pepper flavor to it. There's really not much of a flavor to it at all, except for these undertones and overtones that kind of, that's really what your flavor is. There's no anything else. It's just the overtones and undertones you taste, and that's it. That's your flavor. It's actually quite a nice pepper. You know what it kind of would taste like? If you've ever eaten a Hungarian wax pepper, green, from the store before they ripen, that's kind of like what it tastes like. but very mild in flavor. It's very crunchy, chewy. It's very nice. Skins break up easy. But the flavor is very neutral in flavor. It's not a very strong flavored pepper. So if you're looking for a lot of flavor, I wouldn't recommend this. But if you're looking for something light in flavor, maybe you're not a big pepper fan, so you just want something just good enough to kind of, maybe a little light pepper flavor, this would be a good one for you to try, because this one doesn't seem to have a lot of flavor. Can I say that for all the peppers? I don't know. I know that this one is doing it. You know, I can't say for the other ones. A lot of the other ones ain't ripe. They're still green, unfortunately. Like this one here, it's just starting to ripen, but I need to leave that out so I can get the proper flavor on that. Enjoy it myself, because I eat these things too, you know. So anyway, not sure what to say. I thought maybe I had another plant out here, but I don't seem to have another plant. So I think I only got those 2 plants on the Tekne Dolmasi. There might be another one buried somewhere in here, but I'm not going to dig around for it. But it's a good pepper. I like it. It's just light in flavor, so just be wary of that. You know, be aware of that, and you know, use it accordingly. So anyway, that was your pod review for the Tekne Dolmasi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.